Walneck's classic cycle joins forces with Velocity Motorcycles to help juvenile diabetes the best way they know how.
I'm Eric Engler. I'm the owner of Velocity Motorcycles, and we're restoring the R69S BMW, and that's all you told me to say.
1, 2, 3, 4.
But when you need this, and you start with this, there's only one man to turn to.
Have the incorrect air cleaner.
Doesn't want to cooperate. There we go.
The horns, some little knockoffs. We'll have to have that repaired.
Take all these sidecar lugs off.
Can this pile of parts be rebuilt to ride?
I have killed it. It is dead.
Not quite.
Watch this restoration in progress.